Dark Rum. All you need to know about Dark Rum in 5 minutes or less. Dark Rum is a category of rum known for its dark color. Characteristics: Dark rum has a deep amber, brown, or almost black color, which comes from the aging process in oak barrels, and sometimes from the addition of caramel. The longer rum ages in wood, the more intense its color becomes, as it absorbs compounds from the charred oak. Dark rums are known for their rich, full-bodied flavors. Common flavors are molasses, caramel, vanilla, and dried fruits. Regulations: some countries have their own classifications and regulations based on rum categories, but these classifications typically concern alcohol content, minimum aging periods, and production methods. Dark rum is usually aged for a longer period, often 5 years or more, which give it its distinctive dark color and robust flavors. The aging process is crucial to develop the flavor of this rum, as the rum extracts tannins, wood sugars, and other compounds from the barrel. You might assume that the darker color of this rum is produced due to its longer aging, but this isn't always the case. There are no regulations over dark rum. That's why, for example, a gold rum may be older than a dark rum. The use of caramel coloring is common in dark rums to enhance their color, especially when the rum is not aged for a long period. This practice is typically regulated by local laws, but it is not exclusive to dark rum. Serving: dark rum is traditionally used for cocktail cuisines. It can create a really great base for all kinds of tiki cocktails, while if you drink it neat, you will feel a strong flavor of burnt caramel and a bit of vanilla. It all depends on how you want to drink it, because darker rums are also popular in many places for being drunk straight because of their more distinctive flavors. Popular brands: Diplomático is a Venezuelan rum brand founded in 1959. It was established near the Andes Mountains, an area known for its ideal conditions for rum production, including high-quality sugarcane and water sources. In 2002, the brand was taken over by a group of Venezuelan entrepreneurs who established Destilerías Unidas and kept producing rums under the name Diplomático. Diplomático Reserva Exclusiva is one of its most popular rums. It has won several gold medals at the International Wine and Spirit Competition and other prestigious awards for its exceptional quality and flavor. Founded in 1879 by Fred Myers, Myers Rum is one of the most iconic dark rum brands. It is produced in Jamaica, one of the world's most famous rum producing regions. Over the years, Myers has kept its place as a recognized brand in the world of rum. Despite changes in its ownership, it is still produced in that country. The distinctive bottle of Myers rum, which looked like a traditional ship lantern, reflects the story of rum production and its connection to the Caribbean. If you haven't tried it yet, you should do it and judge by yourself. And if you want to know more about a specific or your favorite liquor, leave a like and a comment below.